I'm always happy to be in a co-working place, love being surrounded by nice people, but I also appreciate to be able to work from home. Because this saves me a lot of time, especially with the commute. So today's gonna be a day working from home. But first, I need to get this leg workout in. Let's go! Warm up.
Everybody's starving, but don't you go off the day, yeah. Don't you go off, don't you go off that. That's right. Don't go off.
My hair. It is so long. See, when I wear a cap, what I do most of the time, it's totally fine. It's cool. But after a time it grows and gets longer and longer. It starts to come out at the sides. I really hate it. How do I look now? Oh my god, it's really so long. I think I need to get rid of it. I need to cut my hair, oh my god. Yo boy, I leave. See you tomorrow. What do you think about my hair?
It's like beautiful. You look like
I need a
like
haircut.
star.
I need a haircut.
You want to
So see you tomorrow.
Bye bye.
Peace out. I just came out of the bathroom and I was wondering why our complete floor is wet. Here and here. And then I saw that our rake room roboter hangs on its charging station in a rather strange way. Before it was like this. And I then checked our whole apartment, what is wrong or maybe where the roboter has the water from. I checked our floor, there was nothing. I checked our bedroom as well, nothing. And then I was in the bathroom. Well, this is maybe a little bit wet, but I was just showering. And then I noticed that our rake room roboter has the water from under our sink, where everything is now completely wet. Need to clean the floor now. Ah, no, it's completely wet. Oh, no. Yeah. Let it dry for now. Luckily enough, he has a wiping function as well, so he is waterproof. So while I was cleaning our floor, I just saw that this there, back on the wall, doesn't look too good. Oh my god. Everything is wet on the floor. The whole ground is wet. Look at here, everything is wet. Need more towels. Where does it come from actually? Oh no! It comes from the tube. Look here. It's leaky, it's completely leaky. Oh my god. Here. This is exactly the position where it comes out. When I pull here just a little bit. This isn't normal, isn't it? What should I do now?
Moin Lars.
Hi Klaus. Hast du 2 Sekunden für mich? Weil tatsächlich unsere Küche unter Wasser steht und an der Wand Schimmel ist.
Oh.
Ganz leicht nur hier, kommt es da oben raus.
Das ist die Spülmaschine. Das ist der Schlauch der Spülmaschine.
Ich will nicht wissen, wie kompliziert es ist, das abzubauen.
Das Problem ist die Arbeitsplatte. Das Einzige, was wir natürlich jetzt mal auf die Schnelle probieren könnten, da eine Dichtung reinsetzen.
Wir können vom Glück sagen, so doof es klingen mag jetzt, dass wir einen Saugroboter haben. Der hat das Wasser nämlich vorgeschoben.
Ach so, gut.
Ich hätte es nicht gemerkt. Klaus is now driving to the hardware store to get a sealing ring. This is completely leaky and we need to exchange it. And he also said that this mold is just superficial. Oh. Hope this helps.
Dicht.
Ja, gut.
Gut.
Ja?
So sieht es jetzt gut aus.
Okay. Okay, danke dir mal, ja. Bis dann. Ciao. So we replaced the ceiling ring and also were able to remove a piece of the wallpaper, as you can see here, and it definitely is mold, but it's just superficial. We couldn't remove all of the wallpaper, so we need to keep the window open 24/7. Then we also have to dismantle the kitchen, move the cabinets forward and remove the remaining mold. So this has to be continued, I guess. Super efficient and productive work day at home. Let me tell you the story what happened. This morning, around 10 a.m., I was about to leave to the gym. Before I left, I turned on the vacuum roboter. Then I came home and just saw that our kitchen is complete wet. The whole floor, everything is complete wet. Are you listening? Okay, so then I just thought it's just here. Here's everything wet. But it was also under our cabinets. So, are you listening or? Then I saw that everything is wet. This one was leaky. Then I called Klaus. Klaus came here from his work. Then we changed the ceiling rings. This one was too big, this one was too small, but we had one. Then we changed it, assembled it back again. Then we saw that here is everything complete wet and with mold. We removed it, but now we need to move the cabinets forward to remove the remaining mold. But we need to do it. Yeah, but we need to do it on Saturday.
Okay.
It's a longer process. What?
Kartoffels.
See you later.
Alligator.
Bye. And now she's gone again. She was here for, I would say, 20 minutes and she has already left. Do you remember this package from yesterday's video? This one. It's not for us, it's for our neighbors. So I almost forgot about it, but I'm now trying to bring it to them, if they are at home. No one is here. Okay, gonna try it later again. But at least I now know where the apartment is. Hey Siri, timer 10 minutes. I have really absolutely no idea what I'm cooking actually. I don't know if this tastes good or not, but it's all we've got, so... I was about to eat, but I totally forgot about this package again, so second attempt now. Hope they are there now. So they're still not there. I'm gonna eat now. So it is exactly what it looks like, just rice and mince. But I like rice and I like mince. So it should taste good, I hope. No, it's perfect.
Know you got problems, know you at the bottom, know you took a loss today. Everybody want bottles, living for a throttle, you just want bottle today. Come enjoy West Side.
I really can't cook rice. Fabienne won't be very pleased about it, but that's everything we've got, so yeah, sorry.